Good morning class, I am Javed Dhobi, your English teacher. I welcome you once again on my YouTube channel. Dear students, we are learning a story of class 7 in a class of their own part 2nd. From the beginning, let's have a recap what we have studied. Earlier we have seen that there was a class of 60 boys and girls. The class has all the things, quarrel, fights, arguments, camps. They did all the things but they never do tell tales, म्हणजे चुगलीचा आटी करणे. They took punishment as a class, not individual, but they have unity. And this year their new class teacher was Mrs. Desai. So Mrs. Desai knew about the class and she was a very affectionate and kind lady. She poured her love, her affection to the class. And the class liked her very much. Now it was time of first unit test. When the class got result, she was unhappy. Mrs. Desai was very unhappy and sad. She wanted to cry. She wanted to let her tears fall. But she turned her back to the class and she carried away the moment. But now after that, the class sat together. And one of the girls from them, Asmita, she was telling us the story. So after the class, they sat together, they did their POA, means plan of action in the motion. They appointed their study guards and searchlights. In this way, the class is moving on and on. The genius of maths, like Niyati, she started to teach other students maths. Now after the school hours, the class sat together and they did their study. Not only this, but some of them went to the students' home, they teach them, they find their difficulties. In this way, the class is going on and on in their success. Now turn to page number 31. So, page number 31, and madam spotted the changes with the students. Now what she said? Something is at work in this class, I am sure, she said. Something is at work. At work means कार्यरत असणे, busy. No one is ever absent. No one is ever absent means all the students are attending the class regularly. Everyone pays attention during lessons. Everyone is paying attention, listening and watching and active participations in the lesson. And I see a different look in your eyes. There is a different look. Something has happened. Happen घडणे. काहीतरी नक्कीच happen घडलेलं आहे. So then we had to tell her. So then we means the class told her that madam, we are going according to our plan. She was really impressed. She was impressed. प्रभावित होणे. You people are really amazing. What a wonderful ideas. Such a determination. There's no other class like yours. काय म्हणाल्या madam? You people. She never said student. She always spoke with the class very lovingly. Young man, young lady, children, people. So here she said, you people are really amazing. Amazing. Look at amazing, wonderful, adbhut. You are really amazing. What a wonderful ideas. बघा, याला आपण म्हणतो what a wonderful ideas. Exclamatory sentence last ला आहे. What a wonderful idea. Such a determination to make up one's mind. Determination. दृढ निश्चय करणे. There is no other class like yours. तुमच्यासारखा दुसरा कुठलाच वर्ग नाही. We felt so happy. We were on cloud 9. We felt, the class felt very happy and we were on cloud 9. So being on cloud 9 means being very happy. खूप आनंदित होणे, अतिशय आनंद होणे. Every one of us began to try hard honestly. Now appreciations are there. स्तुती प्रशंसा आहे. So more efforts are given by the side of students. And you will not believe this, but we were actually all quite eager to take the second test and get the results. And you won't believe, Asmita is telling us that we are very eager. Asal meaning very eager, उत्सुक असणे, to take the second test, दुसरी परीक्षा देण्यासाठी, दुसरी चाचणीसाठी आम्ही eager होतो and get the results. This time when Mrs. Desai walked in with the report card, she was all smiles, happy. त्या आनंदित होत्या. She congratulated each one of us personally. Congrats. अभिनंदन करणे. Personally, she went to every student and congratulated us. However, there is one last thing which I must tell you. एक गोष्ट की जी मला तुम्हाला सांगावीशी वाटते. We had hoped that we would all do well. We had expected, आशा असणे, अपेक्षा होती की आम्ही चांगलं करू. Many of us did do well. But alas, used to show disappointment. But alas, there were still some who got poor marks. Still, अजूनही they got poor marks. And some had even failed. And some were failed. So then we all began to feel crushed. पराभूत होण्यासारखे वाटणे. We feel crushed. So then we all began to feel crushed. Naina, who had got a red mark in her card, couldn't bear it. There was a girl, her name was Naina. She got poor marks and she couldn't bear. To bear means sahan karne. आता बघा नैनाचं एक्सपेक्टेशन. शी sobbed, हुंदके देणे. नैना काय म्हणते? I have let the whole class down. ती हुंदके देऊन रडते. काय म्हणते की I have let the whole class down. Let someone down. लज्जित करणे, पराभूत करणे. मी पूर्ण वर्गाला पराभूत केलं असं कोण म्हणते? नैना, की जिला रेड मार्क्स मिळालेले आहेत प्रोग्रेस रिपोर्ट कार्ड्स मध्ये. Now turn the page number 32. But our dear class teacher went to her and hugged her. Our dear class teacher, what was her name? Yes, right, Mrs. Desai. She went to Naina and hugged her. To hug, mithi marne, to embrace. आलिंगन देणे, to embrace. Mrs. Desai तिच्या जवळ गेली आणि तिला मिठी मारली. No, Naina, you haven't let anyone down. नाही, तू कोणालाही पराभूत केलेलं नाहीये. Look at your card. Last time you had got only 2 out of 50 in science. Last year किती मिळाले? In science you got only 2 out of 50. 50 पैकी फक्त 2च मार्क्स. And this time it's 16. And this time it's 16 out of 50 marks. 50 पैकी 16 मार्क्स मिळालेले. That's quite a leap. ही खूप चांगली उडी आहे. Leap means उडी घेणे, to jump. You have started off in the right direction. तू चांगल्या दिशेने started off. तुझा प्रवास सुरू आहे. Your journey is on the right way. And I know you will keep it up. You will keep it up. तू अशीच प्रगती करत राहशील मला माहित आहे. I am proud of you. Each one of you. मॅडम म्हणते मला तुझा अभिमान आहे. नाही ना, तुमच्या सर्वांचंच आहे. Can you guess what happened in the next test? तुम्ही गेस करू शकता का पुढच्या परीक्षेला काय घडलं असं? In this way, our story in a class of their own, त्यांच्यासारखे उत्कृष्ट तेज here ends. Now, my dear class 1, here you have homework of page number 32. From page number 32, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you have any problems or any difficulties, please call me. Thank you very much. Enjoy the learning.